What is up? What is up, guys? My bad, man. My bad. I was up. I was just with Takata. I was just brushing my teeth, doing all my other shit first. And I was like, all right, let's get on. Um, Honestly, bro, like last night we were looking at this thing, right? I was like, bro, low key, this would be a golden trade, right? Looking at Asia, right? Because I was off yesterday, so I had nothing to do other than just, what I mean, look at my computer and shit. So I was like, bro, we low key get right here, risk maybe like half of it, right? I was like, maybe TB could be like right here, possibly, or we could just hold it up here, right? And we ended up hitting all the way up here, bro, for like 363 tick. That would have been a long ass trade, but hey, low key would have worked. It's low key insane, bro, insane. We just had some news at 9, bro, so I really wasn't too worried about coming back here, right? Because of all these news we have. Hey, we had like about 5 different types of news going on at 9, bro. So volatility was definitely expected, bro, for sure. Go ahead and change this. See what else we got going on today, bro. Yeah, right now we're like kind of choppy right here. I made another zone, man, but I don't know if I really like it or not. You know, and this is a good zone, I guess, right here we could say. But also this zone too is a good zone. Kind of mixed feelings about this. Right here. You know what I mean? Guys? Like we have a good. These are both good zones. We dumped here. I saw that. So yeah, we should be looking for something. Let's look. C15. We have a stack for Valley Gap. 15 minute, or 5 minute, 5 minute, or 30 minute, 30 minute too, bro. Or an hour too. Yeah, we could definitely be seeing some type of longs going on somewhere here. Look, we just exploded up though. That's alright. That's good. We got a lot of zones right next to each other though, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Kind of nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. We could say zone could be right there, but see how it's like on 5 minutes. Not really like, yeah. A bit, child. Let's look at the news we had too. Shit ton of it. Oh, I am lying, bro. That's for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a shit ton of news. I was definitely lying. We're just heavy volatile today, man. See your ES. Pumping up, good pump up from ES. Definitely wish, not wish, but I would have been really good, great long. It's just way too volatile to enter, that. But honestly, let's look at VIX, bro. I haven't looked at VIX today. See how volatile it's supposed to be. VIX stock, it's pretty low, man. We're at 18. You might just go higher on cons, but we might be going like 4 to 5 today. Yeah, so we might be pushing a few more cons today, man, for sure, for sure. Oh, look at that, guys. Definitely don't want to take a trade right here, bro, since I literally don't know what we're planning on doing. I go towards the end of the day, bro, right here. If you go on regular trading time, regular trading hours, right here, bro. That's how we could be seeing a little bit of a pump right here, you feel me? Retrace back down to where we closed at yesterday. Could be looking nice. And our shit's frozen now. Oh, we got it. Yeah, I definitely made a whole bunch of zones though, and I don't know, man. They all look kind of valid, bro. To be honest, if we lower it right here, but then this, like, this could potentially be one right here. You know what I'm saying or not? Try to make this one. Just a little bit. That one kind of like that. This is a valid zone we have though during Asia. We created a pretty good zone right here. Also, this one too in Asia. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Look at all these fucking candles, bro. Drowning candles. If we do pump up, bro, that would be insane. Insane move upward. Let's look at trading view. And Q. Yeah, we could possibly see like a retrace, bro, or like a little bit of a pinch candle on NQ. So, City, bro. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, Sippy, bro. Definitely appreciate you watching stream, bro. That's for sure. Yeah, dude, that's solid, bro. Appreciate that. How long have you been trading, Sippy? Alright, we'll got covered up. Hey, look, guys, this is what that boy Sauce got me, bro. Go ahead and show y'all. Let's see. Open up OBS. That's the Wall Street Bull, bro. Look, his nuts are right there. But yeah, bro, that's the shit in New York that a lot of traders go and visit, bro. When they visit New York, off the Wall Street, and they go kiss the bull's balls and all that for good luck. That's it, bro. What's up, Ricky Trader, dog? What's up? You said it's been a year. Yeah, that's solid shit. What do you like? Like I said, like I always ask everyone this, bro. So I don't. But like, what kind of concept do you trade? You trade supply and demand, TJR, ICT, or like what? What kind of stuff do you trade, man? I've been struggling earlier. Dude, that's good, bro. Hey, whenever you find your edge, bro, like whenever you're like, dude, low key, this is working, bro. That's when you're like, oh shit, like that's like when the oh shit moment happens, bro. So that's fucking good, dude. Definitely just don't get too cocky, bro. You know what I mean? Sometimes when you're in a winning streak, or you're like, dude, I'm the best fucking trader. I can just take it off anything, bro. But yeah, supply man, fucking, that's a fucking goat right there, bro. Goat, bro. Supply and demand, keep it simple, bro. I love that, bro. See, damn, bro, look at this. Engulfing at the bottom, though, does look nice. Look at this engulfing. It's too much chop around here, guys, so I'm not going to take a trade, right? Either or would have been fine. Like, I would have seen if you would have took a short for sure. I could see if you take a long for sure, man. This is a really good zone that we've been rejecting all day, though. Really good demand zone. I know it looks ugly, though. Like, look, too many zones are right next to each other. But yeah. Yeah, dude, so supply and demand is definitely the GOAT, bro. It's like, I good shit, bro. How many evals or fundings are you on? Yeah, we might just retrace back down, guys. Honestly, it looks like we're not trying to break this area at all. Really crazy touch right here. Yeah, this spot is just way too ugly, guys, and I don't want to trade this. You could take a trade off of here for sure. Like down here, I definitely don't want to take a trade off here though. Although it is volatile, you know, boom, one click, boom, you're up like probably like about 80 ticks. It's just we've tapped this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times already, bro. That's low-key insane. So supply and demand, a little bit of everything, like imbalance, order block, mainly supply and demand. But I had another confluence spread. Yeah, dude, that's solid, bro. Yeah, no, that's definitely solid, bro. I do fair value gaps, bro. I do a whole bunch of other shit too within supply and demand too, bro. Got killed trying to take that long right there. Oh, you took this long right here, huh? 5 minute pinch candle engulfing. Is that the one you took or no? Am I wrong? So, bro, yeah, no, that's not bad of a trade, bro. It wasn't that choppy, and then we just got stuck in chop right after. Definitely not bad, bro. We got traded, got killed trying to take that long. Yeah, or maybe we just recently this one too. This one would have been nice. I see that one too. I haven't really looked into order blocks, bro, and all that, and imbalances. I'm pretty sure imbalances are. I don't know. I think it might just be like liquidity or something, or maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, dude, definitely gonna wait, guys. Definitely is gonna be a patient day for me. We're gonna try to make it a patient day. So we're gonna highlight these zones right here. We take trades off of, right? Green. That could be a possible long. Touch back into here. Well, let's make it purple. We really don't know. This could either pump up, consolidate, right? Try to take out this high, break structure to the upside still. Looks like we broke low side structure, right? We took out this previous lower low, made another lower low. Looks like we're trying to, market's saying, oh, shit, we're going to pump, we're going to dump. Kind of doesn't know what it wants to do. Yeah, lost 400. Fuck. Damn, bro, I'm sorry, dog. 400, yeah, that shit sucks. Right now, I just one funded. I blew yesterday. LOL, blew TopStep Express yesterday. Dude, yeah. Fuck. Dude, that sucks, bro. I know you were mad, bro. Whenever I do that, whenever I did that shit, bro, I was heated as fuck. Let's see. I think we had some. What did we have yesterday? A lot of traders didn't trade yesterday, bro, because what was it yesterday? It was a CPI, bro. So a lot of it, whenever CPI happens, bro, they just don't trade because there's bad price action, right? Which is valid, bro. I mean, I would say like there's maybe a few good setups, right? Maybe this one, yeah, this one at 8:30, bro. Beautiful setup right here, right? 8:30, retrace back into this, solid, right? This could be a great long, and then this retracement right here. It was pretty bad, bro. Yeah, I mean not pretty bad, but we were just steady during CPI. I took a dumbass trade right here, bro. Definitely my fault, bro. Look, I fucking took a short, bro. And this, I saw 2 red candles. I was like, yeah, we're gonna dump, bro. I was like, it's much needed, but we did not. I had difficulty with my discipline. Strategy wasn't the problem. Yeah, dude, that's sometimes I think honestly, bro, like 100%. my discipline was definitely the root of it all, bro. Yeah, just like what you're saying. Like, say about like 2 months ago before I got my funded, right before my eval passed, I just kept entering. I was like, oh shit, man, I can make bank. Let's go long here, right? I get fucked, right? Sure. I was just so focused on catching these bangers, right? That could like hope, maybe save my balance, bro. And I wasn't really thinking, but yeah, definitely, definitely discipline's a thing everyone needs to master, bro. Not just you. I think every trader that isn't profitable has trouble with their discipline. Just like sometimes I do, bro. I think yesterday I think I didn't have enough discipline. You know what I mean? I took this short, bro. That was stupid. Very stupid, bro. Damn, bro. This chop is insane. Let's see what the peeps are talking about on here. There's this funny ass video where I seen where so there's an Uber driver, right, with like a door cam or like a dash cam, right, in the inside, obviously for safety, right. Well, there's a baby in the back, right, like a 2 year old, and this guy gets in, right, and like carries the baby to the other seat, right, just like puts him down, right, and then, and then the driver gets a call. It was like, hey, oh my goodness, like in Spanish, like, hey, oh my goodness, did I leave my son behind? He's 2 years. He looks white, right? It's a kid in the background, bro. And then the customer, right? And the rider that just got there, that just moved the baby, was playing around with the baby. The driver thought it was his kid. He was like, bro, that's not your kid. He's like, no, I thought it was your kid, and that you brought him along here on the ride. So the driver had to spin back. I gotta show y'all the video, bro. It might not sound funny, but that shit was funny as fuck. That shit was funny as fuck to me, bro. Okay, let's see this. Bro, we could low key. There's not bad. Yeah, we're dumping a little bit, bro. Bro, I feel discipline is the only thing that can make you profit on the strategy this year. You just want to try to understand my point. Market's gonna go either up or down, only two ways. So if you know nothing about trading, still gives you a chance to win. But still 90% traders lose money. Yeah, nah, I definitely feel you, bro. Like sometimes, like it's just like any strategy can work, bro. Any strategy can work, right? Like people are profitable in fucking EMA trading VWAP and shit, bro. Right? So yeah, nah. I hear your point, bro. I definitely hear your point. I definitely do think strategy is a obviously a main factor too. But yeah, I definitely feel your point on that. I feel like as long as you mark out zones, bro, for sure, you have a 50 chance of winning, bro. Literally, as long as you have some good stops, or you literally have a 50 chance of winning on any zones you create, bro. But I think like mainly the strategy is just having enough discipline, to actually wait and say, oh shit, okay, look, we're rejecting this, man. Oh shit, we're rejecting this. This is low key good, you know what I mean? Or look, we tapped into this like 5 different times. Are we really gonna pump up from it? You know? But yeah, I I hear you completely, bro. I hear you 100%, man. I hear you. I hear you. I'm fucking back, man. Hey, Loki though, we did get a good ass workout in yesterday, bro, for my boy Sauce's birthday, bro. Went ahead, had to be a provider, man, for my guy real quick. Got it in at my gym for like $20. And shoulder was low key feeling a little bit fucked up. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Bro, we've been stuck in this chop for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, almost about 40 minutes now. Yeah, bro. Hey, but shoulders look low key feeling a little bit better, bro. what we can ask for now, man. Diet, we've been strict on that shit yesterday, bro. Strict. I made all my veggies, my greens yesterday, bro. That shit took like 2 hours, bro. Hey, but I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm low key turning into a veggie kind of guy, bro. Those veggies were actually pretty good, man. What's weird though is like it's like my tongue palate has low key been changing, bro. Fucking, I used to hate tuna sometimes, right? You know, I used to like tuna as a kid. I would have to drench that shit in some mayo. Now, bro, I can just eat that shit raw. I'm just got it, not raw, but I can eat that shit like plain, bro. Low key been changing. Let's see how 15 minutes looking like. Dude, look at this, bro. Oh my goodness. What are we doing? We're just making a higher low right here on the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame. Yeah, same. You could pump up from here for sure. Words, but okay. 1 hour. This is the one thing that I thought. This is yesterday, right? After I got done trading, I thought we would double top this over here, guys. I thought we would double tap it and dump. I think we just broke above it first, and then we ended up dumping for sure. Yeah, that's what I thought would happen right there. I'm looking at both my charts on my left screen. Here, for sure. Definitely the supply level right there. Definitely looks good. Yeah, for that. Okay, now let's go back. Save this. Alright, man, let's go. Run up here, they only take 2 trades, and you know what the strategy is. Run up here, they only take 2 trades. You know what the strategy is. They're big out to market over here. If you dump all to this, they take it. They don't have set up either market breaks upside down or downside. They take trade and they drive McLaren. They drive a McLaren. Yeah, dude. But there's definitely more to it though. You know what I mean? Like I get what you're saying, bro. Yeah, that's 50, but there's more to it than just trading breakouts. Like that, like they trade breakouts. They have 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. They're probably looking at. They look at daily charts, right? Daily charts kind of determine why a lot of swing traders, bro, just hold trades. Like I don't really care. I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all this real quick, right? Since we're probably gonna be stuck here and chop for a good minute. So this is just supply and demand on the daily time frame, right? I know you heard of swing traders, right? Right, Chevy, bro. And me and my cousin literally just decided, let's look at the daily time frame. Let's see if there actually is some supply and demand we can mark out, bro. Right? Look what we found, bro. Look at this shit, right? We created a demand zone right here, right? Look at this huge pump up. So we went ahead and drew that out, right? But we tapped it, fucking went up again, right? Just recently, right, we tapped this also, right? We also had a demand zone we wanted to tap lower, right? So what people do, man, all right, swing traders do, they probably buy one of these, right? Buy a contract, maybe one micro, depending on their account, right? Rich maybe like $5,000, and make it up here, bro. We did the math, bro. Dude, that shit's low key. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and see. Let's say like I know this would be pretty hard, right? Let's say I don't know, man. Let's just ignore it, right? Let's say they saw something right here, right? Probably just like right there next zone, or it might even be like down there, right? 4,000, all right? To make like 11,000 ticks, right? Go right here. Let me put my other chart just to make sure we're not having anything. Okay. Take go. Where's it at? Visual order. What did I do last time? Create an order, right? Paper trading. Next. Shit. Okay, alright. They do one, alright? Fucking one. They had a chance to make 58,000, bro. They risked about 25 grand, right? Just because they took off this shit, bro. And these are traders, you know, that some traders be like, oh yeah, bro, I just do. I might be wrong, right? I know that this is kind of what they do, right? Those swing traders, bro. Low key, this is fucking nuts, guys. Nuts, 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 right? I definitely feel like whenever I do get my money up, bro, and I'm like, I would say profitable, right? I would definitely want to do some shit like this, bro. Some shit I could just hold, bro. And it's low key kind of insane, guys. I mean, bro, like what? We just recently had some news right here, which bounces up from a crazy ass demand, right? Like, bro, what? You need to tell me we just had some perfect news? It's all manipulation, bro. I mean, obviously, right? Pretty sure y'all know that too. But yeah, dude, fucking that shit's insane, bro. That's what we were looking at, and I was like, dude, that shit is wild as fuck. What's up? What's up, AB, bro? No, bro. Analysis on bigger time frame, just 5 minute support and resistance, either breakout on upside or downside. Sell limit orders on breakout, quickly scalp exact at 9:30 and done for the day. Damn. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I haven't really looked much into it. I'm sure you know more than me, bro. But fuck yeah, probably, bro. That shit. I do know like 9 to 11, bro. Is literally like the perfect time, bro, to be trading, bro. Dude, yeah. Some people do that. That's I think I've seen like I've come across one video I think of someone talking about it. I haven't really looked into like what they were saying, but yeah, like I said, you probably know more than me on that aspect. But shit is low key kind of crazy. I see you finished the bet. I did, bro. I did, dude. Finished the bet, bro. That shit took forever. I'm not gonna lie. After I had got off stream of making the bet, bro, I kept making the bet. It took me like another 2 hours, bro. Bro, because then so I had a screw in the bed, right? Obviously. And then I had these bolts, right? Well, I got the wrong size. I got the huge ass size, right? So whenever I was bolting it in, I'm like, finally. And I look at it, bro, and it's fucking poking through the whole wood, dude. I was like, ain't no way, bro. I just made a fucking hole in my wood, bro. By putting this bolt in, bro. There we go. We finally had a breakout right here, guys. So we might go upside. Definitely want to see either we dump here or we kind of hold it up here, go back down, and then we just literally hold it all the way up until here, guys. But yeah, bed is finally made, bro. Shit. Shit took forever. So yeah, long and short could definitely be placed here, right? 50-50. We just gotta just see what it shows us really. Alright, Chevy, bro. Good luck, bro. Take care, dog. It's your day started and everything, bro. Appreciate you, tuning in and shit, bro. Chatting, chopping it up with me, bro. Let's see if people actually, what would have happened? People did take a long right here. That shit would have been scary as fuck. 150, bro. You probably would have still not been on 150. Yeah, low scary. You can see that though. Bro, we might not see any type of move until like 10 p.m. Let's text the chat real quick. chop. Patient, bro. These things too here, bro. Two things right here. Bounce off the close, right? We could be single long. Alright. Single long right there. Fibers, like, yeah, 150 sounds about right. Honestly, guys, we might go a little bit heavier here, bro. Looks like volatility is not that bad. I go like, let's see, yeah, right here. Let's see, what the fuck with me. Once we get to the bottom of that zone, which we probably won't, but if we do, let's see, like maybe like 5 cons. We get him right there. That's still low key perfect, bro, for us here. It's like 150. So that would definitely be like 4 cons right there. 150. We get like right here though, catch the very bottom. We definitely want to see us risking about like 100 ticks. So we could definitely get in with like 5 cons right there. So yeah, we might have to size up, guys, just because the VIX is pretty low. Volatility has kind of died down. When we were very low, bro, volatility was up, right? Volatility was fucking up. That's just because, bro, you know, we fucking went all the way down to the downside. So yeah, definitely wait. I think, bro, even at one point, I was trading like 1 to 2 micros, bro, just because of how volatile it was. That shit is low key insane, bro. Gosh, crypto's on the come up again. Oh shit. Might have to reinvest in some Sol now. I might have to trade some meme coins later. I think I've already told y'all the story, bro, about me trading meme coins, bro. Fucking how we missed the fucking Just a Chill guy because we took our money and placed it on the Mike Tyson coin. It was like Iron Mike. That shit low key was heat, bro, but it died out super fast. Bed review. That honestly, bro, bed review. Bed's good, bro. Bed's definitely good, bro. Loki looks kind of cheap, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, I did get it for Amazon for like $300. Yeah, fucking my mattress is heat though, bro. My mattress is heat as fuck. The bed though, I definitely thought it would look a lot different, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think I would be seeing the little fucking the frame on the outside of my bed. But we could honestly cover that up like easily, bro. Like, if I had something to just cover that frame up, I think it would be low key solid. Low key, bro. That's honestly a good idea, man. I might just go to fucking Home Depot, find me a piece of wood, right? Cut it up myself, you know, prime it and everything, and cover up the frame that I have at my like the base, like my headboard kind of thing, so I won't see the metal. Low key, kind of heat, bro. Heat idea. I'm not gonna lie. I'm heating up. Bad review. Fart coin. Fart coin goaded. Fart coin. There's this one called Fart. Not Fart. It's a fat boy season, I think, or something like that. It's a coin. Let's see. Fat fellas. That's what it is, bro. It's money sign fat.
won't close all the way. Ever looked at a seat and then look back and go like, nah, welcome to Fatland. The first thing.
Their whole page, bro, is about like fat people, bro. It's a little crypto thing. Sounds pretty funny. Pretty stupid, bro. Bro, no way, bro. They got Fat Fellas collab with Snoop Dogg. What the fuck, man? Ain't no way, man. They collab with Snoop Dogg. That 585K when he signed Fat. I actually want to look it up now. I want Phantom. Damn, bro. Peak market cap. Look at that. Well, right now, bro, their market cap is 6.92 million, bro. That's low-key insane. Fat Fella season, bro. It's funny as fuck, though. Bro, this chop is kind of pissing me off, man. Bro, I know we've been here for like an hour. Stuck in chop. I just change this. There we go. A little bit of a big ass zone, but it's valid, bro. Goodness, man. We're being here forever, bro. Eyes up a favor. Let's do a poll, man. Any trades? Yeah. Oh, that's looking kind of cool. Damn, bro. Look at this, guys. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Horrible, horrible. Possible. Damn, guys, really, really gonna be patient ass day. This guy, 7.6K trading from my phone while traveling the world. I know that they all be saying PB trading, bro. I be saying his stuff. I know he traded like a little bit of ICT and all that shit. I boy just been making some bank, bro. Made some bank, bro. 7.6K on the phone traveling, bro. You're nuts, dude. Bro, speaking of that, bro, tell me why, man. I was on TikTok, dude, and bro, like this is why I mean, like I feel like I like kind of do what I like stream and shit, right? Yeah, it's for my journey, bro. But it's like honestly to answer y'all truthfully, you know what I mean? Those people that are confused, right? Looking at shit like, oh guys, damn, this guy's making some money, right? There's this guy, bro, that says he's been making money, right? I scroll through his show, like, oh shit, let's see, he passed his funded. I kind of want to check out dude, right? Bro, this dude passes funded, right? I'm like, oh, okay, he posted it, and then he started selling courses, bro. And with his courses, though, I'm peeping it, bro. He tries to hide this, right? Kind of tells you what you are, right? I mean, this means you're on a funded, right? Express, right? If it's white and says 50K come on, means you're taking an eval, right? Nothing wrong with those two, right? This guy, it said practice on it, right? But you only see like you know what I mean, the C and the E, right? Because he was like trying, you know what I mean, trying to hide it in a way. And it kind of just makes me mad, bro. Because like, why are y'all faking it, bro? Like, if y'all are practice trading, just say y'all are practice trading, bro. Nothing's wrong with that. And then he's all like, bro, we just made 1.8K today, hyping it up, right? Which is, cool. But you're lying to people, bro. And like, I feel like that shit's like snaky, bro. Like, just be truthful about your shit. If you're up, if you're down, bro. Like, it really doesn't matter. And I feel like it's just a whole bunch of misleading, bro. Like this guy's like, oh yeah, man, we just made 1.8K. Join the Discord, y'all can see it and all this other shit. I'm looking like, bro, this is a practice account. Like, what are you flexing? Nothing to be flexed, bro. Nothing. That should be pissing me off, bro. Cause I'm like, bro, like, why y'all doing this lame ass shit, bro? Just, you know what I mean? Just kind of say, do, I don't know, man, just be truthful about it all, really. Amy. What's a guy? Amy just texted me right now. But yeah, bro, like, I'm like, dude, what the fuck, bro? Like, I don't know, man. I'm like, bro, at least say, you know what I mean? Just say, hey, yeah, I'm on my practice account. This is how much I did make. Okay, you know what I mean? Okay, I kind of get behind that, bro. You're at least telling me, like, wholeheartedly, bro. But why are y'all lying, bro, for some clicks and views, bro? That shit lame as fuck. Lame, lame, lame. Let's see. Baby texting me. It was dumb. But yeah, bro. And like, dude has a good amount of following. He has like 12K, bro. He's literally just scamming people, bro. Suppose he's like a rapper on TikTok too now, bro. And like 11.2K is pretty solid, bro. Like it's impressive numbers, but why are you lying, bro? Now all these, I'm looking at his comment section. Everyone's like, "Oh, bro, please teach me how to trade." Oh shit, how did you start, bro? And he's like, "Join my Discord, bro." He's how is an unprofitable trader gonna teach you how to trade, bro? When this guy's not making any type of money. You know what I mean? It's like that's why I'm like so against that fucking bro, join my Discord and then they sell y'all something. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't know, it's mad dumb, bro. I think it's mad stupid. Like, we've had just a abundance of traders, which is fine. But now we have a whole bunch of scammers now. You know what I mean? They try to get everyone's money. Like, bro, join my Discord. I teach you. And they don't teach y'all shit. They just scam, take y'all's money, bro, and that's it. And this is low key nuts right here. Bro, what are we doing? What are we doing? Could this be the time we finally break out? Could it be? Hopefully 10 to 11 we'll find something, man. Goated. Over there, the Indian guy who messed up the business. Bro, fuck that. Fuck that guy, bro. Fuck that guy, bro. And I hate, bro, look, bro, fucking, I hate that, like, America. I get it, you know, I mean, money wise, bro, but I hate that we're, like, paying these. I'm not saying I hate, bro. I'm just saying, like, I have an issue, right? I had an issue with my business, right? Through Amazon, right? They connect me with someone, right? Fine. He's Indian. Okay, whatever, right? This guy could not understand what I was saying at all, though. And I was like, bro, like he kept repeating it, like kind of like circling back. And I was like, that has nothing to do with what I'm saying, man. I'm saying, do I need to send y'all more, or like what's different with the one I sent y'all? Like what's so bad? And then just dude kept saying the rules over and over again. I was like, bro, I don't need help knowing the rules. I'm telling you, is this okay? Because it keeps on getting returned back to me, and it has everything listed. Then he's like, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Let me go ahead and look. And I'm like, okay, fine, right? Like, we're getting somewhere. And then he comes back, like, he puts me on hold for about 15 minutes, comes back, bro, and then tells me, he's like, oh, sir, looks like you had to follow. I said, oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness, dog. I said, bro, I know the rules already. Told me them about 10 different times. And at this point, bro, I just hung up, bro. I just hung up. I couldn't do it. Then I called again, right? Same thing, bro. Except this person had like a crazy ass echo in the back, bro. It was like, and that like they had like a whole bunch of dogs, cats, or something like that fighting in the background, bro. So I'm dead ass trying to get my shit solved, and I hear fucking like Tom and Jerry in the background, bro, racing, fighting each other. That shit was low key pissing me off. I was like, dude, are you serious right now? Like, no way, bro, no way. And as you have it, man, fucking didn't help for shit at all, man. Did not help me one bit, not even one, bro. Did not help fucking cent, bro. I was like, oh my goodness. And then they ended up sending about 8. Yeah, I'm lying. They sent about like 7.2K of my inventory back to me, bro. And then get this, bro. Crazy part. I was like, fuck. I was like, all right. They basically fucked me, right? Okay, whatever, right? And then get this, bro. They said they would cover the cost, right, of the fees just because they came out with new restrictions. I said, okay, perfect. As long as I submitted in this time period, I did. I did, right? I then get charged for my inventory that they said I wouldn't get charged for. I'm like, bro, no fucking way, right? So I said, hey, it said I wasn't supposed to get charged, but I did. Is there a way y'all could take the charges off? Because like I sent them the screenshot. They said, oh, okay, yeah, one second, let me look into it, right? Fine, right? It was through email because I did not want to call them, bro, again. I was like, I'm done with calling, bro. I'm done. Like, I literally get on the phone for about 20 minutes with them, and it goes absolutely nowhere. No help. Nowhere. Nowhere, bro. Does not go, doesn't help at all. Like, bro, I would have been better just fucking not talking to anyone at that point, right? So I was like, let me just email them, right? So I said, hey, look, I got this email. Y'all said y'all would cover the cost. I got charged for all my units, right? It was like about like $400. I got charged. It's like, bro, that's $400. All right, I'm not gonna let $400 go just like that. Like, look, I want my money back. Like, y'all said y'all would cover it, y'all didn't. So now, what happened to it? This guy then sends me no help, right? He says, hey, you come back and help. I don't know who this person was, girl, guy. Sends me another email saying, hey, so, like, hey, you get charged per unit. This is why you got charged. I said, bro, did you not read the fucking email I just sent you, bro? Did you not read anything that I just sent you? Like, I'm telling you, y'all just cover the charges. I got charged. I understand that. You know, whenever I get my inventory back, I'm paying the fee. But y'all said y'all would cover the fees. So what's going on? You know, guy then responds basically saying the same shit. He's like, oh well, you get charged per unit. Bro was dead ass making me crash out, bro. Crash out, bro. Crash out through email. Crash out through email, dude. I was like, you know what? Loki was just about to say, you know what? Fuck the $400, bro. I really don't care anymore, right? But no, bro. Loki, that's $400. So I'm gonna call back, bro. I'm gonna be like, look, put someone else on the line. Someone else on the line. Someone else on the line, bro. Right? Let me talk to at least like a supervisor. Like, be like a little Karen, bro. Because I mean, Loki, I'm like, that is my money, bro, that they're playing with. So yeah, that's something I gotta handle probably like today or tomorrow, man. Since I'm off this next few days. But, dude, that shit. No help, bro. No help. Deadass could have just been better, just not saying anything, bro. No help. No help. Now, low key though, bro. The way that Amazon and all those businesses stay the way they are, it's like they don't pay like Americans, right? They pay these foreign countries like China, India, right? They pay them like maybe $1, bro. It's probably less than $3. They pay them like a dollar, and it's cheaper. You know what I mean? So they get to keep more money. If they were to pay like American, right, based off of what city, what state they're in, it could be just $7.25, maybe $12 max. And that's a lot, bro. That's like a lot towards like China or Indian people, right? Because you can charge them like $1 and they'll do your work for an hour, right? So the money is like a lot different, right? So low key sucks, bro. Just because I'm like, you will dead ass not get anything across, bro. Like you won't get any help, but low key how like they kind of stay rich, those big brand companies and all that, bro. Like they charge, obviously foreign countries, and but now that they've been charging customer service to them, bro, I'm like, fuck, dude, what the fuck, man? Like I'm getting no help at all. 67%. Oh wait, 33% said yes. 67% said no. Dude, we're still in this range, man. But yeah, bro, that's my little rant of fucking how I'm getting fucked right now. But we have another plan that I'm scheming up, man. So see if I cook up with that, man. Cook up with that. Hopefully we do. We're gonna have a little test project, right, with me and my cousin. We're gonna buy something and just see how the product goes. So we might be cooking. Might be cooking, guys. Definitely possibility. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's about to hit 10, bro. 27, 25 more seconds. And we should hopefully be out of this range, man. 10 p.m. hit, bro. Let's do something already. Dude, look at this, bro. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious, man. Bro, speaking of that, I was on like scrolling right through Instagram. Bro, there's these people that I guess like make their own like condom company, and they taste their own condoms, bro. Not like they use it, but like open up the box and it's like flavored. It's like, bro, that shit is some nasty ass shit, bro. Like they're literally tasting some latex shit, and it's like it's like they have banana, strawberry, and all these other flavors. I was like, bro, that's so gross, so fucking gross. And it's just like these two little white dudes like, flavory. I'm like, dude, that is sick, bro. That is sick. Oh. Good, I'm gonna go ahead. Look, it was this video. This is alright.
Bueno, sí, dígame. Sí, soy yo. ¿Tu hijo? ¿Que se quiera aquí? Sí, oiga, ¿aquí lo dejó? Sí. ¿Nos vamos o qué?
But that's just so stupid, bro. Line, bro, get some area there. We're dumping on ES. Pretty bad. Alright, right now we're heading to the end of the day zone on ES. We still have this to go though on NQ. Damn. There we go. go. Little dump. That's what we needed, man. Yes, it's towards the bottom of that zone though. I don't know how this is gonna look like. Kind of curious George, curious George. How we're respecting this though. It's crazy, right? Could have tricked a few people market, right? Oh shit, we finna dump. Nah, definitely could have tricked a lot of people. Honestly, that is a pretty good hold. We told ourselves though, no, we're gonna wait until here though, because I don't trust these zones. Look how many times we fucking tapped into it, man. Out short here for 800. Fuck yeah, my boy Rookie Trader made a comeback, bro. Yeah, that's solid, bro. So you're up 400 now since you were down 400 earlier, right? And Loki could be a good long way, but I definitely want to take it. You can see it on ES though, but I don't know. I just don't trust it yet, man. For us to go long here. Good sell, Rookie Trader. Nah, bro, you're all good, bro. I swear, Rookie Trader, bro, you're definitely all good, bro. You don't always have to be in chat, bro. For real. Like you don't gotta be forced in here, bro. Nah, man, I get it, bro. Sometimes I just put my chat away sometimes. So like low key, bro. Look, third monitor. Whenever we do get this payout, we'll lock in, put it like right here, man. Low key, be solid, bro. Up 350. Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah, bro. You made that fucking loss back, bro. That's solid as fuck, bro. Are you gonna lock the account? I feel like just now we are just now gonna be getting some good fucking we're getting some good fucking movement now. Okay. Okay, possibly good movement, but we're not gonna take a trade just yet, man. That's good, bro. We got good movement going on though. Valid, right? Probably just be seeing some higher going on now, right? We had a whole bunch of chop. If anything, we're gonna look for maybe possibly a reversal up here. But yeah, it's really a good movement, bro. zone. I definitely didn't think we would hold it though, because look how many times we fucking tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, bro. Did not think we would hold it. 2, 3, 4, like 5 times, bro. Got to hit the gym early today before it gets packed. 11's peak hour, so I might get a little 30-minute session in. 30 minutes, man. You gotta be in there at least an hour, at least, bro. But now, so sometimes my workouts be kind of quick, like about 50 to like an hour and a half. All right, Rick Trader, bro. Good shit on today, bro. Being up today, man. Enjoy your gym session, bro. I think I might just be on here for like another 50 minutes and see if we can catch something. But definitely not gonna force anything here. And now we just tap back into the fucking NQ zone. I mean ES zone down here. It's like we're holding it. No, we'll see how it goes. Alright, trainer, bro. Be safe. Safe, my dog. Good shit today. This damn fucking look at this, man. Oof. That's what it looks like, bro. A whole bunch of gibberish right there. Damn, good pump up, man. Good pump up. Bro, I know, Emiliano, bro. I fucking know, bro. Chop fucking city, dude. Bro, look, cousin, bro. I was like looking at this shit though too. I was like, maybe we could long, but since we tapped into it many times, I didn't want to take it. I was looking for a long down here, right? We could have like a little bit of a double bottom on market close in the end of the day right here, right? So if we go down here, like we could definitely see us pump up. But right here, I'm looking for either or, bro. Short or long, just depends on what I see there. Unbiased for this one. Chop, 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 chop. York, innit? Can't you see I'm walking here? I'm gonna pull that one out in New York, bro. Can't you see I'm walking here? Can't you see I'm walking here? It's like we're kind of supporting it, but just like I said, bro, too much of a chop for us to even enter. I definitely don't want to enter in a chopped up zone. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Ask Siri long or short. Facts, bro. That might be the new method, bro. That might be the method right here. Watch us actually cook off that shit. Like, all right, bro, we're longing it. We're shorting it. Uh, yo, what the fuck? Breaking news. Speaker Mike Johnson declares support for congressional stock trading plan. Low key, what the fuck, bro? That's kind of insane. I don't know how that would affect the market though. So basically, bro, right? The whole Congress trading and shit, right? How they buy shit, right? Swing trade, right? Hold for a couple days, weeks, right? It's all insider trading, bro. Like some guy literally dumped 300,000, bro, and then the next day, yeah, we have fucking some crazy ass news by Trump, right? Which pump us, right? And then whenever they do so, bro, we end up dumping a shit ton, bro, because we have some bad news, right? And it's like, bro, like these are how they're staying rich, you know what I mean? They obviously have insider trading, right, which is highly illegal. But they have sources, right? They're congressmen, bro. They talk to people, right? Congress people and all that shit. This is basically how rich stay rich, right? So it looks like Mike Johnson, right, the speaker, wants to ban it, right? Wants to say, y'all cannot trade this. Y'all cannot be trading stocks if you're in Congress because y'all are obviously gonna have some type, you know what I mean? Some type of leverage behind it. So, oh shit, bro. Bro might be taken out next week, and we're gonna know why. That's low key insane, though, bro. Low key insane, bro. So, fuck yeah. I don't know how market would move like that. I don't know if it would affect it that much or not, just because the rich are gonna be like, well, we can't really get rich off stocks no more. Let's move on to something else. That's actually insane, though. Yeah, so basically, bro, it's just like a whole bunch of insider trading, right? Which no one likes. Ooh, ooh. On God. Bro, hopefully not, man. But yeah, fucking rich definitely don't like when people say some shit like that, bro. Threaten them by like passing a bill like that. Just low key scary, bro. Hopefully that guy's gonna be okay. Fuck. Oh man. guys, the reason I'm not entering is just because we chopped through here, right? I know some of y'all might be thinking like, bro, why are you entering? It's just because we chopped through here. I definitely don't want to take a trade anywhere between these ranges right here, these two. I want to take something off here though. Either we continue the long or we just dump. Either or, right? Just gotta find a good setup. Good setup. I ain't for you. Never meet you. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Crazy ass 1 minute. Surely. Let's see something. Yeah, how much is a micro? Cents. Not bad. Okay. I was doing some quick math right now, guys. Apologize. There we go, bro. Could have been an easy pull, bro, but we did not like this chop right here. There we go. We're gonna take this out, go higher, and then we should be seeing something right here, guys. I'm very excited to see what we're gonna be seeing at this zone up here. Should definitely be exciting. on upward structure. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious, man. Gatos. Oh my gatos, man. Oh my gatos. Yeah, this thing, just trying to see if my wires were connecting down there in my computer. There we go. I wonder how many ticks this was, guys. That's a good amount of ticks right there. 400, almost 400. Closer right here, man. Super close. Damn, guys. Oh, bro, my legs are so sore. Yeah, oh man. We got like 30 more minutes until lunchtime though, so if we do get a trade, bro, it's probably gonna be carrying over into lunch hour. All right, let's log back in. These are the times where you should know when not to be in the chart. Definitely, bro. Definitely during that time. Yeah, 100% right, Flyboy Saline. I just do wait though. I mean, I was like, bro, if we have a lot of consolidation, I mean, y'all kind of know what happens, bro. All right, continuation, reversal, consolidation. All right, pretty simple like that. All right, we've been stuck in chop all day, so we should be seeing a move sooner or later. All right, just because you see chop for maybe 30 minutes doesn't mean you get off the chart. Man. Definitely not. But I can see, you're like, damn, definitely don't want to waste too much time on it. Let's go ahead and get our day started for sure, man. But you see now, we finally broke out of this chop city, bro. Finally broke out of it. And we should be seeing some good movement now. Only thing I would say though is that we are heading towards lunch hour. Lunch hour volatility drops a lot. Like 30, what? I got like 27 more minutes so we can get off. Creeping up towards his home. We love this. Got some volatility going on ES right now. Ooh, okay. One second. Like right here on the 5 minute. Okay. We'll see what happens here. There's a lot of clicking going on. 4-hour time frame. Where we at? Right here. Should have a good movement coming soon. How long have you been waiting to see what you like? Well, really, bro, I was waiting off of here, so man, a good minute, bro. Ever since I hopped on, so I hopped on like around like 9 a.m. Right? I was up earlier. I just didn't hop on stream, right? Usually wait the first 30 minutes, right? Get all that stuff out the way, right? So I would say, man, ever since like 8:45, we were trying to see if we would go touch this right here, touch this zone right here, our demand zone down below, where we had a close at the end of the day yesterday, and I was waiting for that, right? Either that would hit, right? We took a trade off that, a long for sure, or we were waiting for us to bounce up right here, right? So those are like the two things we got planned out for today, man. We could two things could happen, right? We could just, all right, fuck it. We're obviously breaking it to the upside some more, right? Okay, we just made a new higher high. You could see a little bit of consolidation happening below, right? Or we could also just dump from here, either or, right? So that's why I'm unbiased in this trade right here, what we got going on at this zone. It could be either or. It just depends on what we see through the candles. 5 minute, 1 minute, don't matter. Just yeah, basically what we see was what we do see off of this one. If we don't see anything from there, then we're probably gonna call it a day right after that. Get our meal started, get our meal preps in, and all that shit, man. So yeah, we'll be chilling for the rest of the day. Not really worried. Yes, it's kind of creeping up in that zone too. We're like the same range, so this zone should be pretty good. What about you, Flyboy Slime? I know that you said you kind of stepped away, man. So you didn't take no trades today, huh? Or did you get stuck and chopped over here? A little slow climb up, not bad. Hmm. But yeah, it's a very weak movement, though. We do have going on, guys. Very weak. Ooh, ta ta, ooh, ta ta, ooh, ta ta. We're just scrolling through TikTok, bro, until we wait. A little bit of brain rot. Low key though, bro, brain rot is the move to go on fucking meme coins, bro. I like brain rot memes get posted on those pump funds, right? And they just go crazy, right? Sometimes it starts off on TikTok, right? And then when the meme kind of carries on over to Instagram, bro, it's like okay, like this shit low key popping, right? It usually goes crazy from there. So, alright, let's get off this shit. Just on the 1 minute. Still pretty chop, not chop, but slow movement, man. Slow movement. Maybe these are why we're seeing a little bit of chop, maybe a little bit, not really, but we do have an inverse right here, right? Definitely don't think it's gonna hold, right? Not think it's gonna hold, but we're seeing a little bit of sellers right here. Could possibly be why. Little inverse fair value gap right there. We did break through it like by a tick or so, maybe two right there. And bro, we've been streaming for an hour and 40 minutes. Crazy. Oof, maybe we do respect that little inverse fair value gap. Maybe that is what we're doing. Low key looks like it a little bit. See if ES has the same one. No, ES doesn't have. Oh, they have a 5 minute fair value gap. Yeah. Oh, I guess we're still between 5 minutes. ES is kind of like right here, guys, right now. If you were to kind of compare to NQ, yeah, this is where we would be at on ES, around this range. This guy hops in a long right here, but I'm never foot. You're catching along at the very top. I don't know if that makes much sense. You said I did take long stay off this end there. I fair value at that around 11, 11:10. I see we're on different times. I'm guessing you said 10:10, right? Or what? Sorry, that's really just marked right now. It's the first trade. Oh, okay. So you're waiting for us to break this right here. If I'm correct, right? That's what you were waiting for. So I'm guessing if you're waiting for 5 minute break it, just like that, or what was your like risk, man? Using 1 minute time frame. Okay. What time did you enter on then, man? Did you enter kind of like towards the bottom right here, or did you enter like halfway, like, where we broke through the first invalid fair value gap? I seen a guy literally just enter like right here though. I was like, bro, what the fuck? Literally entering in right at the top. Hey, but his shit could work, bro. His shit could work. I see what you're saying, slime. But what time did you enter at, man? Like exact 1 minute time. Oh, look, good sell though too, man. Look at that. Off that 1 minute, fire sell, bro. Hit long set. Alright, start. Was on the lowest inversion. 1 minute time frame. Oh, okay, so yours is like right here. Solid, bro. 175 ticks. I'm guessing you like sized up on that then, huh? 1109. Yeah, 1009. Yeah, it's solid, bro. It's really solid. 200, 230 ticks right there. Market's been kind of like moving not too fast, man. So I think I was thinking about sizing up today, like maybe like 5 cons. Just depends. Because I usually risk about 150. I try to make like 300 ticks, right? Try to aim for like 300 ticks around there. But recently, like looking at these zones and charts, like we're moving, but not like we used to. Obviously, just because we've been going up ever since, bro. So I'm thinking about like sizing up maybe 1 con, just because we're kind of slowing down the volatility. Bro, yeah, that's definitely a fire trade, bro. Fire trade, bro. Discipline as fuck too, bro. You said that was your first trade of the week, right? Am I wrong? It is the first trade. Yeah, dude, that's a fire discipline, bro. For real, for real. That's crazy, bro. It's already the third day of the week. Only one trade. And you won on that trade, bro. Yeah, that's solid, bro. Solid, solid, solid. So, bro, like right here, I was saying it earlier. I was like, dude, this looks like a good lawn, but just because we chopped fucking through the fuck out of the zone, bro, I definitely did not want to enter on anything. I wanted to enter down here. But yeah, dude, that's fire, bro. Fire, fire, fire. I got a boy that had that switched from like supply and demand over to like kind of like I would say like ICT, bro, like TJR shit. So like he knows a lot of the shit you're saying, bro. Like sometimes I mean like whenever someone tries to explain something like ICT, I'm like, what? But I mean, it's really just the same thing, bro. We just call it differently. Like we're literally trading the same thing. Sometimes like we will enter off the same shit too, bro. But I mean, y'all have more confluences and stuff. I feel like supply and demand's more like free-ish in a way. But definitely profitability could be any either direction, bro. You know what, bro? I might, yeah. Next 7 minutes, we don't head up here. We're gonna call it a day, or probably not call it a day, but we're gonna get off these charts. Go cook up some eggs, bro, for the first meal. And yeah, that'd probably be it, bro. Probably might look at PM session. Depends if we like it or not. That's what I'm thinking, bro. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be an 11 a.m. reversal though up here, dude. It's literally what my cousin just said, bro. 11 a.m. too. Yeah, that's literally what I'm waiting for too, bro. Either we break up here, consolidate down here. Yeah, we could for sure just be seeing a crazy long, right? But I definitely, ooh, I'm leaning more towards a short right here, bro, just because we are slow on the come up right here. Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, you see that, bro. Definitely. Does it like Loki get you mad, bro, when like people be like talking shit about ICT shit because you traded and like looks like sounds like you've been doing all right, not too bad. You won today, bro. So hopefully you're doing good. I hope. But do you like Loki hate that, bro? Whenever people are saying, bro, ICT sucks, ICT this, ICT that, or nah? That's honestly a little bit of a all right zone right here. Not really. Yeah, I'll probably go lower now. All right, 5 more minutes. And we'll probably call it a day, just like I said before, man. Yo, pumps up a little bit higher, man. Definitely want to tap into the zone before I get out. Before I call it a semi day. Also, bro, also even gotta fucking wash and dry my clothes, bro. So we might just stay home for PM session too. Yeah, we're about to break this little invalid. This inverse. Inverse. This fair. Yeah, this inverse fair value. Yeah. Why did bro switch to two different YouTubes? She going chop all day. Shit, it might be. Why is bro on two different YouTubes though? Bro switched from Emil to Just Wills. Wait, bro, this is your like old ass account, bro. I'm looking at your account, bro. What the fuck? You made videos like 8 years ago. Better watch these later. Best believe. I gotta clear my camera out. This shit dirty as fuck. Do it, T. Whatever's happening away from it. What you mean? What the hell? Wait, a meal? Hold on. What the hell? Why is bro on two different accounts? A meal and just Wills. He has two different personalities right now. I'm your 100th sub. Bro, I haven't even hit 100. Did I hit 100? Yo, what the fuck? I did hit 100, bro. Hey, low-key crazy, bro. I did not expect us to hit 100 today, bro. Low-key fire, bro. Milestone right there. Milestone. Yeah, bro. Ugh. Yeah, we're probably gonna step away from here now, man. We're gonna wait for this 1 minute to close. We're gonna walk away. Walk away. Bro's my 100th sub. Bro's goated. Appreciate y'all, bro. Appreciate y'all subbing for real. Watch I get like a unsub right now. Bro, about to buy a cake. I'm about to go ahead and buy me like 100 steaks just for this crazy milestone. Head ass. Damn, bro. Hey, low key though, bro. Like fucking what? Like a month ago, bro. We were at like 18 subs, bro. So this is kind of insane, bro. Like really thinking about it, we had like what 1,000% growth, bro. Shit's wild as fuck. So I do appreciate y'all. If y'all did sub and y'all are still watching, man, for sure appreciate it. We're probably gonna call it a day right now, guys. We're gonna get off this screen, right? So no trade Wednesday. We might see a trade later on today, right? We could definitely see something happening up around here, right? That's really it, man. That's really it, bro. But all right, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Y'all be safe, bro. Enjoy y'all's day, man.